universal line. There's your universal line, and there's your contractor line. Contractor line are super heavy duty. You will probably have to get it built by a contractor, or we'll have to build it for you. If you're a contractor watching, we can teach you how to do it, or you can get it built. We recommend you getting built. Then we got our universal system. It's more DIY friendly. This is our vinyl. You can put our composite, our Woodlike aluminum, our slat aluminum, like right here in front of her. And we can do the pivot hinge. It's beautiful. You can't see any screws. It has a gasket for rubber impact. You can put any lock you want. It's phenomenal. Phenomenal system. Beautiful. And it comes in a box. We'll ship it down to your doorstep. If you're a contractor, you're going to enjoy this gate so much. It's going to give you so much more complex abilities and designs. And getting the universal system, everything in one frame, is a super, super goal for a contractor, right? So he can do vinyl, he can do aluminum TNG, he can do Woodlike, he can do slats powder coated, or even Plexiglass. Any design you're looking for, you'll be able to do with our universal system.
Así es, aquí tenemos todas las opciones que necesita. Por ejemplo, tenemos aquí Super Heavy Duty para la línea de nuestros para contratistas, para la cual recomendamos que un profesional se instale o se lo instalamos porque tiene que saber bien cómo hacerlo, y esta más para DIYers. Pero bueno, tenemos todo el sistema universal también, de modo que tiene todas las opciones que usted necesita.
Yeah, you'll love the pivot hinge on this and all the parts that come in hardware. You are just going to be a blast as a contractor. All right, so visit lglobusfence.com, order your box today, or come and pick it up.
Sí, venga por su kit, venga por su caja.
Vamos.
Nos vemos.